You know what it's like. You get home, look in the pantry, really don't have anything. Whenever that happens at my house, my wife just says, hey, can you chef something up? So today we're going to chef something up, just like we did the green beans, if you've seen that video. Today, we are going to chef up sliced canned potatoes. Just trust me. Since canned potatoes are really wet, first thing we're going to do is open the can, dump them into a strainer, and strain them out. Then, because they're still going to be wet, we're going to dry them on some paper towels. I'll show you. Here we go. Just spread them out on paper towels. And dry them. You don't want to crush them too much, but you need them to be pretty dry. Now I have this pan over a medium heat. I want my pan hot already. If there's one thing that civilians do who don't work in kitchens, they always tend to use cold pans to cook with. Why is that? So now I need a little bit of olive oil, and then get my salt and my seasoned pepper ready. Let's see here. Yeah, that sound is exactly what you want to hear. A little bit of salt. Some seasoned pepper. And now I'm going to saute it, or toss it a little. And now I'm going to leave it alone. Just let it cook. People who don't cook in restaurants, they always want to mess with the food. There's no reason. The heat in the hot pan have to stay in contact with the potatoes. Otherwise, the potatoes aren't going to cook. So leave it alone. This potato has been sitting right in the middle of the pan that whole time. No color on it whatsoever. So we're going to leave it alone. They're getting a little bit of color. I am going to actually turn the heat up just a little bit, medium-high maybe, and then walk away, making sure that all of the surface area of the bottom is covered as much as it can be. All right, walk away. There we go, starting to get a little color. Now I'm going to add a little bit of butter. Why? Because fat is flavor.
Fat is flavor.
And I want that flavor in there. But I didn't add it at the beginning. Now you could have, there's nothing wrong with it, but the butter's going to cook down and then be melted butter, and then it's going to start browning and be brown butter, but it might actually burn, much more so than the olive oil. So I always wait to add it in there at the end. All right. And now, I think another minute or so, and we will be good. All right, I don't know what the total cook time here was. maybe 6 minutes or something. I haven't been keeping track. But we have these beautiful browned, salted and peppered and buttered potatoes, these sauteed potatoes that I will put right here into a bowl. And then go wash this, turn that off, and there you have it. And here it is. These beautiful sauteed pan-fried potatoes. It just doesn't get any easier than this, and honestly, it doesn't get much better either. Give it a try. Try chefing something up in order to feed your family.